Hello and welcome to the Health of Houston survey. We have created a series of short videos to help you access information gathered from the survey. One way to explore and analyze the survey data is with an online program called NestStar. To access this tool, begin from the Health of Houston homepage at www.hhs2010.net. You can scroll down the page to the NestStar link, or you can click on the hyperlinked NestStar image. The program will open in a new browser window. You now see the NestStar web view, and you will notice that it has two frames. The left frame contains a search feature and a browse list. The right frame displays information corresponding to your selection from the browse list and is also used when analyzing the data. By clicking the list on the left, you can expand or collapse to different levels of survey information. Wherever you see a plus icon, you can expand the menu, whereas the minus icon will collapse the menu. Here we have clicked down to display two survey folders. In the first one, we have included metadata about the Health of Houston survey. By clicking titles on the left and then scrolling down on the right, you can read about our survey design, see information about weighting methods, and you can access related materials. The related materials are hyperlinked to provide you with direct access to those resources. You will also see the variable description folder in the browser list. For details on looking at specific survey variables in NestStar, please view our next video. And if you have questions or need further assistance, please contact us.